Hello everyone, we have a question here and this is question from JAMB 2026, question 13. A number of pencils were shared out among BC, Shola and Tunde in the ratio 2:3:5 respectively. If BC get 5, how many were shared out? Here are the options. Solution. In this question, we are asked to find number of pencils shared out. That means we want to find the total number of pencils shared out. Now, and in the ratio they've shared, we have BC, ratio Shola, ratio Tunde. We have it to be 2, ratio 3, ratio 5. These are the ratio. BC has ratio 2, Shola 3, and Tunde 5. Now, total ratio is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 5, and that's 10. That's the total ratio. Now I want to know, we don't know the total number of pencils, so we can say let that be S. Let X be the total number of pencil. Total number of pencil. So now that means if X total number of pencil and BC got 5, that means it is going to be BC ratio is 2 over total ratio, which is 10, multiply by the total number of pencils, which is X, equals 5. Here we now have 2x over 10 is equals to 5. Here we have 2x is equals to 10 times 5, and x is equals 10 times 5, 50. We have 2x is equals to 50. To get our x, we divide both sides by 2. We have 2x over 2 is equals to 50 over 2. Here we have x is equals to 25. And that means we have represent x as total number of pencils. So how many pencils were shared out? That means 25 pencils were shared out. That's option B. Surely,